Om Shanti, 8th July 2021. Essence of the Murli is Baba says, Sweet children, no one in the whole world is as fortunate as you. You are Raj Rishis. You are studying Raja Yoga for the kingdom. Question: which sanskar does the incorporeal father have that you children also imbibe at the confluence age? Answer: the incorporeal father has the sanskar of knowledge. He speaks knowledge to you and makes you pure from impure. This is why he is called the ocean of knowledge, the purifier. You children also imbibe that sanskar at this time. You say with intoxication that God is teaching you. We listen to him and then tell everyone else what he tells us. Song: At last the day for which we had been waiting has come. Dharana. Baba says, first point, become worthy of worship by following Srimad. Finish the bad sanskars in your soul with knowledge and yoga. Become completely viceless. Second, while doing everything for the livelihood of your body, study and also teach others. Become pure with the power of yoga and claim a royal status. Blessing: may you become an embodiment of the 8 powers and experience the sovereignty of the land, that is, free from sorrow, while having the world of sorrow in front of you. Again, may you become an embodiment of the 8 powers and experience the sovereignty of the land, that is, free from sorrow, while having the world of sorrow in front of you. Baba says, it is only now that you have the knowledge of sorrow and being free from sorrow, while the world of sorrow is in front of you. Constantly experience the sovereignty of the land free from sorrow. This is a sign of the children who are embodiments of the 8 powers and who are conquerors of their physical senses. It is only now that you receive all the powers from the Father. If you lose any power due to the influence of bad company or by being influenced by your physical senses, the intoxication and happiness of the land free from sorrow that you have received will then automatically be lost. You, the emperor of the land that is free from sorrow, will then become bankrupt. Slogan: let the power of determination always be with you, and success will then be garlanded around your neck. Again, let the power of determination always be with you, and success will then be garlanded around your neck. Om Shanti.